I just wanted to come and share this. This is like amazing. This is an Aldi candle, and not only is it an Aldi candle, but it is 6 a.m. I lit this candle yesterday at about 8:30 before I got up and was doing my little chores and you know, finished all my meditation and everything. This candle has been burning. I slept on the couch last night. I was watching a movie and I ended up sleeping on the couch, and I never blew the candle out. Thank God, thank God, thank God for protection. I forgot to blow the candle out. But when I tell you Aldi's gives you your money worth all the way down to the bottom of the candle, this candle was about right here yesterday. That just goes to show how long these candles burn, how great these candles are. I had to share this because I'm always talking about their candles. And this is my baby, my favorite. The whole house is still smelling. It smells down to the last drop. I cannot lie to you. I kid you guys not. If you are sleeping on these candles and you want to spend $25, even $10, $12, $6, $7 and not go get these for $4.29, you are sadly missing out. Sadly missing out. They burn so slow. They are amazing. They smell so good to the last drop. I had to post this to share this because I am so appalled at how great these candles are. Like, so appalled. And the containers are so nice to reuse for a DIY or something. I know it's probably hot. Oh, it's not even that hot, guys. Look, still all that candle. I mean, it's giving me everything. Nice container. Don't sleep on all these candles, guys. Do not sleep on all these candles. Literally, and it's still burning. See what time it is? Still burning. And it's like nothing there. Like, still burning. Wow.